How to cancel a Cash App payment request. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to cancel a Cash App payment request. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. Once you're here, make sure you tap on the Activity option. It is this option here at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is the Activity page of Cash App. On this page, you will see all the activity that you have carried out on your Cash App account. At the top section of the page, there is an option named Pending. Under the option, you will see the payment requests that are pending or waiting for approval. So make sure you tap on the specific payment you would like to cancel. Once you tap on it, you will land on this page where you will see the payment details. At the bottom of the page, there is an option named Cancel Request. Make sure you tap on it. Once you do that, a pop-up appears asking you to confirm the action of canceling the payment. If you are sure about it, go ahead and tap here, Yes. If you have changed your mind, make sure you tap No. Once you tap on Yes, the page will start loading and the payment will be canceled, just like you can see here. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to cancel a Cash App payment request.